Nonetheless, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to NEWSBEAT Nightly. And again, we're going to be doing our nightly a little earlier here today. Just want to go over some of the names. Okay, so who knows where this one's going to go tomorrow? They got involved in blockchain technology, and right before the close, I jumped in some shares. Okay. Not only that, I took a little bit of the Costco, which I'm looking back on and probably should have bought in earlier. I did take the trade off the day lows. I thought we had a very nice bottoming out call there in Costco today. Nobody really brought it back up, but we nailed the dead bottom of Costco. Why not? And what is the other overnight I took? I went ahead and I took some Lotto BlackBerry calls because I thought the earnings were good. It's closing real strong today, so I thought that was a very tremendous opportunity for us. So where do I start? Let's start with Intel. So Intel pretty much opened up and plummeted with the market and closed extremely strong comparatively to the market today. I mean, to have a day like this in Intel with the Qs looking like this is impressive. Not only that, I want to show you the algorithmic volume. Actually, I couldn't, but if you actually look this morning, the stock you saw might hit 48.80 in the pre-market, and that was actually legitimate prints because it broke through that huge monthly A plus trigger and shot up. So what does that mean algorithmically for tomorrow? Is that still an important level to watch 47.88? And the answer is absolutely, because it never tested during normal market hours. So if and when that level tests during normal market hours, we could still get that explosive move there in Intel. I'm watching this thing like a hawk, and just gonna look for some follow through in it. If you wish to copy the names we're looking for tomorrow on our game plan, or of course, if you wish to follow some of our Forex orders, we had a nice little trade here today in Canadian Swiss franc. We got filled on it, we made money, and we exited out. Pretty decent exit. I mean, if you got filled, your take profit level hit. I actually sold just above it, so you might have made, depending on your size, I don't know, like 15% more money if you actually held it and just left the entry and take profit target in. I know a lot of you guys especially you YouTubers who listen into us got filled on our Forex orders and just had to take profit hit. So you just looked at your account and you came in after whatever job you're doing after work and you just noticed that you're up money, that your trade got filled and sold at a take profit level. So that's a very nice little gift for you. And if you're joining us here at a weird hour, because we don't generally throw this NEWSBEAT nightly, what we do is we basically share all our trades. So many people have all these ways in analysis. I see some people who do Forex analysis out there, and I look at them and I think they're crazy because they can't make money on their own analysis. And that beyond pisses me off, because here you have somebody who's telling you with a live account what to do, yet they cannot make a single dime off of their own trades. I think that's, to me, that's borderline evil, because when you do crap like that, you're hurting people's financial futures. I don't care if you're recommending a restaurant to somebody and you say they have the best burgers, and then somebody goes there and the food sucks and you never eat there again. I mean, you're dealing with millions and millions and millions of dollars. And that's why you have to be very careful when you're doing a service like broadcasting, because the people on the other end have real money. So when it comes to Forex, I make it very simple. I literally give you the type of trade, buy or sell, the size, those are in standard lots, the symbol I'm trading, the price, my entry price, SL equals stop loss, and TP equals take profit, and it's very easy. And again, we have people who have no idea how to trade Forex, no idea how to trade the markets, and they're just as consistent as me. Wink, wink, because they have all my trades. They have all my trades from A to Z. There's no confusion. It's all in front of your face. It's that easy. And I know a lot of people who tell you it's that easy. Oh, you just follow this game plan, and if you follow it, you'll make money. And, I'm taking it a step further in Forex. There is no game plan. There is none. Those are my live entries. That's a professional trader. That's a professional I've been told the most consistent Forex strategy they've ever seen. I don't want to be your broker. I don't want to take a percentage of your money. Copy it. Do whatever you want with it. It's none of my business. Wink, wink. With that being said, here's my game plan. And you could just see, BlackBerry named that reported earnings again. We'll go over it right now. Was very bullish. They beat across the board, announced 3 cents per share versus the 0 cent analyst expectations. I would like to see BlackBerry get through yesterday's today's high of 1236. So again, we did enter calls before the close, and if you're wondering, well, I can't enter calls now because the market is closed. Don't worry. There's going to be a service. Members of the room are going to get a free email service that updates them exactly when I enter these trades. So let's say you have to drive your kid to school, to the soccer game, to the baseball game, to get pizza, to get ice cream. You have to do grocery shopping. You had to work. You'll know exactly what I'm taking before the market closes, and you'll get an email. Not only that, for a very small fee, just because it costs money to do this, and I mean a very small fee for the members, like we're talking like $10 a month, like $120 a year. I will text you every single time I open and close one of these positions. You'll get as real time as possible a text message. And if you want it for free, you'll get an email, and that's free. So, again, if you're on YouTube, you might have missed a lot of these. All right, now I'm mentioning Gene with a bullish trigger of 230. And you might be saying, what is going on with this name? It started exploding right before the end of the day, and I just jumped in and tagged in real quick. Well, what happened here in Gene is they say they're looking to capitalize on blockchain opportunities in medical data management. For medical data management, they want to, I guess, create a cryptocurrency coin. The truth is, people are so confused about what a cryptocurrency coin could do. The truth is, I can have a cryptocurrency coin that sells you diapers. I could have a cryptocurrency coin that flushes your toilet for you and doesn't charge you for the water fees. The truth is, you see where I'm getting at. I'm being not really that sarcastic or that ironic. I'm being like more honest in trying to let you perceive the possibilities that could come behind a cryptocurrency and a coin per se. So we bought some Gene before the close, very light, and I just want to see if we get follow through from today's high. And I gave the trigger of 230 because right over here is $2.30, and if you break that, you could get 289. This could be a very big mover tomorrow. Another name following the crypto hype. Next, of course, is Intel, and we basically said when Intel is ready to break, if and when Intel is ready to break 4788, you can potentially explode. I was actually so honored today that somebody was watching our NEWSBEAT nightly when I started mentioning it, and I basically did this yesterday. I basically talked about the 4788 breakout on Intel, and I went along, those lines. But the funny part is somebody decided to copy my play, and again, it was the person who copied me, Mike Kramer, over at Investopedia. Contributor to Investopedia. He just literally ripped my play. When people asked me if I was angry, and you could see it right over here, he's talking about the Intel inflection point through $48. He's mentioning the 17-year gap from September of 2000, and of course he showed it this morning on December 20th at 6 a.m. Coincidentally, I happen to know that he watches our NEWSBEAT nightly, and people were saying, he should have. I got a phone call today from a few of the news guys, and they're like, oh, he should have given you credit. He should have dropped your name. The truth is, I don't care. I mean, we're here to help people. The point of helping people is to not put your stamp of approval on everything. The point of helping people is to not have, your name on it. You help people for the sakes of helping them. And if you believe, again, that imitation is the best form of flattery, I'm flattered that he copied me. So, there. Still going to watch Intel for a potential move higher, and very bullish close given what, considering the market fell today. Speaking about crappy little crypto names, DSS, Document Security Systems, digested on the exponential 8 moving average, literally missed it by a penny here. Not a big deal. Putting in a little bull flag and a little bullish falling wedge. And just really one of those crypto names that were over $3. Now it pulled back $1. I mean, we're talking about a $3 name pulling back $1, so obviously it's significant. And $2.33. Very simple breakout from today's high tomorrow would have me be bullish on this name. So with that being said, if you wish to copy all my live Forex orders and or my stock game plan for tomorrow, you can hit print screen now. If you guys on YouTube have any questions and you want them answered live at this moment, email me, mark.melnick@t3live.com. I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. And now, of course, we go back to our room. And if any of you guys have any questions before I have to take off for the holiday party, now would be the time to ask. Very. You want to start your own NewsBeat live cryptocurrency? That's funny. Maybe CMG. The problem is, they'll have to make sure that you don't get any rare diseases if you trade their cryptocurrency. Like, could you imagine trading the Chipotle Mexican Grill cryptocurrency and your computer gets sick and blows up? Like, what happened? Somebody got sick again from their food. And they did something smart recently, and I was saying it was bullish here how they changed management. I told you I only had one hope for management, and that was to get rid of the crappy food that they're already offering. It's tainted meat. These complete and utter, what's a good word for idiot? Let's just call them idiots. These complete and utter idiots keep serving the same meat that makes people sick. And I told them, and I was telling you guys, all they have to do is change the meat supplier and adhere to some safety food measures. But they want to use the same meat because they're saving pennies, and those pennies add up. And I'm saying look, at this point, spend a little more money, make a little less profit, and you'll make more profit in the end because you'll start having return customers. Everybody loves good Mexican food. Chipotle, unfortunately, the only thing they have is the Mexican food part and not the good part. Biggest problem, people are getting sick. They keep getting sick. When I look at it, I laugh at them because these people are complete idiots. They had so many opportunities to change their source, change their supplier. They didn't do it. Shame on them. Can I email the game plan for Forex? I didn't do it yet. Yeah, I'm going to email the stuff out right now. Let me just email you guys the game plan. Just give me a moment here. Let's see. Game plan 12/21/17 plus Forex. Just emailing you guys right now. Okay. Sent. You got it, Mike. Done. So I was looking at US dollar yen for a potential short, and I came up with the conclusion of no. What do I mean by no? I mean, you can short it here. Let me give you the level. I was gonna do it. Here's the level. And it's valid for 1 day, Ken. WB, YBO. Trying to hold up here above the moving averages. Held ascending support. Look, hit my ascending support and bounced. Looks bullish. Slightly. But you have to keep a tight rope on it. What do I mean by tight rope? Like today's low is a stop for any swing trade in YBO. Like that. Tight rope. New to next. See, I called the bottom this morning if it was able to like come down here to like 34.17. It actually hit 34.32 and then bounced, so I missed it. Tomorrow my level drops. So this is one where my support didn't hit. 33.83 is where I want to buy this one tomorrow. Thanks, Kathy. Potentially, Barbara. It depends where I'm in from. Funny, Andreas. My thoughts on Tesla. Got beaten up a bit. Maybe it bounces tomorrow. I have no strong opinions here on Tesla. Roku, I'm going to tell you the same thing I said before. Let this exponential 8 hit. Even better, Barbara, if we could get to like $48.49, I'll buy some calls in it. Snapchat, doesn't look good after it couldn't hold above today. Slightly bearish to neutral in Snap. Nvidia, bearish. Short level tomorrow, $201.63. Hi, James. Target on FCX. Alright, so I called FCX bullish there on December 12th. This one actually just kept running. I already sold mine profitably. Wow. Wow, that's an excellent question. Let me get you your answer. The next target on FCX is $18.12. That's also a big trigger level. $18.12, James. Do I think CSX topped out today? No, I don't. Remember I said it could get to 55 to 55 and a half dollars when we were down here. We talked about it on the NEWSBEAT Nightly when they plummeted it. Now it sort of looks a lot more fairly priced. I wouldn't touch it in this range. Yeah, good luck with these random Manhattan bars having an organic wine. I'm with you though. Oh, well there you go, Ken. Thanks, Bubbles. Thoughts on the Qs tomorrow? None. I want to say bearish, but you pull down to the 8 and bounce, and now you're below resistance far enough where you could go higher, and you could go lower because you were bearish today with increasing volume. I'll just see what it does tomorrow and react. Yeah, that would be funny if everybody, called out sick tomorrow from the T3 broadcast if that happened. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Tom. Let me hook you up right now, Tom. Sorry about that. Should have added you. There you go, Tom. Done. Rio? Yeah, sorry about that, Tom. Thanks for reminding me. I thought I did it and you were in a draft email as opposed to the other one. You would have been automatically added tomorrow if you didn't say a word, but you wouldn't have gotten tonight's because I accidentally set it up in a draft. That was my fault. Thanks for reminding me. Extremely bullish here on Rio. Very, very bullish. Pullback level tomorrow, $50.22 could be a long. And a breakout above 50.71 would give you follow through to the upside. Nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed the NEWSBEAT nightly trading broadcast. Happy trading, make money, and we will see you guys tomorrow morning on the NEWSBEAT live trading broadcast. Have a wonderful evening.